Hi YouTubers, update on my RC 2014 build. As you can see, I've completed the project. It's up and running. I haven't got this board working yet. It's a module for floppy disk drive controller. I've got a disk drive. It's made by Samsung, so I think it's going to be pretty good quality. But I haven't yet worked out the connections, because the connector on this is a bit different from the connector on here. So got a little bit of compatibility problems here. As you can see, it's a different size. I think this is like standard IDE plug socket, and this is like something which is something else. I'm not sure, I'm not too familiar, but anyway, I'm sure it's just a question of put like either putting a different socket on there, or making a sort of a patch lead. Anyway, I assembled all the boards. I give them a good wash in 99.9% alcohol, so to get all the flux off. I think that's worth doing, and so it's a nice clean build. So that's the serial clock module, the first one there. And the second one is the serial input-output board. Next one is the compact flash, which has several different operating systems on it actually. The next board is the RAM. The next one is the Z80 processor, and the last one is real-time clock. So that's the hardware. I've got a little program running, which is just it's just a little basic program, counting basically. Like that. That's all there is to it. But anyway, so that's some of the files on the B drive. If I just do a reset on here, press this button here to reset it, and I'll show you what it looks like when it boots up. So it boots up like this. You've got gives you a bit of information about the BIOS, version number. It shows here, where is it? That shows the real-time clock, which you can see is set to the correct date and time. Shows some other information about ports and addresses. A lot of really useful information there actually. And there's some information about the discs that are available. I can't give you an in-depth description, because I don't actually know myself. But Anyway, from a starting up point of view, so that's the next, and then we can list the applications available. So you've got a simple monitor, you've got the Z system, you've got CPM 2.2, fourth basic, tasty basic, I've never tried that. Network boot, I'm not sure about that. That sounds interesting. X modem flash updater. So if I show you the CPM, which a lot of people into this kind of thing will be familiar with CPM. So where are we? Oh, yeah. So as you can see, you've got the full 54K transient program area. And there's your, your basic CPM files. Well, I think that's about it for this video. I'll do, when I get the disk drive up and running, I'll do another video to show that. I hope you've enjoyed my set of videos, and I hope it's inspired you to, you know, if you've been thinking about doing this yourself, I hope it inspires you to have a go yourself, because basically, I mean, what I'm saying is, like, someone my age, you know, I find, like, you know, it's quite fiddly, soldering everything, but I managed it, you know, and I'm just want to give you a bit of confidence in having a go. I'm not really that knowledgeable about these things, but I managed to put this whole kit together and it's up and running. So, works out of the box, as they say. So, yeah, I'll put a link in the description to where you can buy all this stuff. Anyway, thanks for watching. God bless you.